It is no secret that this season has been turbulent, to say the least. We have only picked up 2 wins in the league this season and 3 draws for our points. It all comes down to this: the final day versus Edinburgh University. In the reverse fixture, Uni beat us 3-2, which left us fearing the worst. But today, Brian Gilfillan and his players have a chance to write their names into Gretna FC 2008 history and try and clinch survival today. Today is a chance to have our day in the sun. 90 minutes to define a season of 34 matches. 90 minutes to decide who stays and who goes. Without further ado, here are the extended highlights of yesterday's match against Edinburgh University.
whispers tell me she's the one. Haunted whispers tell me she's the one. Haunted whispers tell me she's the one. Haunted whispers tell me she's the one.
Come on. Oh, come on. Come on! We're staying up! We are staying up! We are staying up! Say we are staying up! We are staying up! Say we are staying up! Come on! We are staying up! Say we are staying up! We are staying up! Say we are staying up! We are staying up! Say we are staying up! We are staying up! Say we are staying up! We are staying up! Say we are staying up! We are staying up!
Brian, it's been a rocky season, there's no secret in that, but today is an absolutely brilliant way to end it for you, the boys and the fans.
It's, I think, difficult's been kind of the understatement, if I'm honest with you. Listen, we kind of started first week in June, I think it was. And I think when you start that late and you don't have the players that you kind of want, from the very first day we were on the back foot straight away. I think the first game against Hearts was 7-0. We only had 4 players playing that day that we're playing today, and to have that many players throughout a season just probably screams that there's not that sustainability there. But since January, it's really positive, and I couldn't have asked to work with a better group of players, if I'm honest with you, from January onwards. It's been great, it's been settled. We've obviously missed a couple of big injuries, but overall, I thought the boys really deserved it today. I thought they worked hard, and it wasn't great, to be honest. Yeah, they looked so nervous. The pitch was dry. They couldn't get our free flowing football that we normally like to play. But I'm so proud of them. I'm so proud of them the way they've put their bodies in line for us.
Just in a brief context, what did you tell them when you went into the changing rooms there?
Just that. I was proud of them. They've ran through brick walls for us since January. The amount of the running stats are through the roof, and you don't do that for everyone. Do you know what I mean? And listen, I'm hard on them. I'm so hard on them in terms of what we're demanding, what we need, what we expect. And I think today kind of just proved that they've been on our side. They've been together, and there's something developing here. And as I said to them, I don't know what will happen next season. I don't know if I'll be here. I don't know if the players will be here. But there's something happening here, and we need to stick together. And if that'll happen, I don't know. We'll wait and see. But we'll need to sit down with the club and find out what's going on.
Just one more final quick note on the fans today. You saw them in the stand over there. They're absolutely bouncing and definitely acted as a 12th man for the lads.
Oh, brilliant! I mean, the players risen to the occasion, and because you've got 200 kids behind the goal, all shouting and dancing and letting off screamers, and it's great. And the players fed off it, and honestly, just having a good support, and the crowd were a bit more vocal today, and it helps. Everything helps, and it's been a long, hard season, and just to see the fans kind of scoring 2 very good goals, which we did, it's a nice way to end the season off. But it's been long overdue.
Perfect, Brian. Thanks for your time.
Thank you.